YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to the future #1 reaction channel on all of YouTube. All right, this is what we got going on today. We're filming with the iPhone 13 Pro as the webcam. It's pitch black in here right now. I got a little right there. I got a little light in the background. Hey, baby, can you shut the door? Yeah. All right, girlfriend's gonna shut the door here. So we're pitch black. This is how it looks. I'm holding it with my hand here, so it's a bit shaky. Whoa, whoa. That's how it looks. Pretty good. Better than my other videos, I think. And I'm using an app called Reincubate Camo Studio Pro. So if we switch the scene here, and I'm also running it through Streamlabs. So if I bring it over here, you'll see like Streamlabs is running here, and then also Reincubate Camo Studio Pro. You don't have to have that running, but the cool thing about that is there's a couple features in there. It's free for Windows. Shooting in 1080p. You can change the lens size. So I'm sorry this is so shaky. My arm is sore. You can go ultra wide. Kind of cool, right? The quality goes down on that. Just go back to normal wide. Different filters and stuff you can do. But look at the quality on this. Trippy. Look at that. You can see I really need to shave. I really need to shave. But yeah, all you do is you download this app on your phone and you plug it in. That's it. You give your email to get the pro version for free, and that's it. You got this little, you can see it's like a little camo, little sticker thing in the corner, but honestly what you could do is just move, like if you're doing reactions or stuff like that, move that over there. It's done. It's gone. It's over. Yeah, so pretty cool. Just wanted to show you guys how this looks. The autofocus is sick. Look at that. Look at how quick that is. Boom. Back to me. Oh, whoa. Boom. Look at that. Look at that. Is there any palm readers out there? How long am I going to live? Let you be the judge. Anyway, till next time. I'll see you guys around. Peace. Hey, I'm going to put the links in the description too. I'm not making any money off this, but just wanted to show you guys. All right. Bye.